This is not common. This is very concerning to have this activity going on.
Immigration lawyers are alarmed over the recent ICE detentions happening at immigration courts throughout the country, as people are showing up for the required hearings.
Which is really dangerous, because if you do not appear to a court hearing, you will get a deportation order.
In Sacramento, ICE officers arrested 2 Venezuelan men and a Haitian man who were in court to attend their court hearings on Tuesday.
2 of them actually had already submitted their asylum application.
Kamal Prichohan with the California Immigration Project says one of their volunteer attorneys witnessed the arrest.
Jesse thought everything was okay and that those individuals were okay. They had new court dates in September.
The arrest happened in the waiting area of the courts as the 3 men were leaving their asylum hearings.
They should have not been arrested when they are fighting their case in court, and they're taking all the legal action they can.
KCRA 3 reached out to ICE, but they wouldn't give more details without a case number, and their families were too afraid to provide those numbers.
The process is completely changing.
Longtime immigration attorney Blake Nordell says these arrests are impacting the access to due process.
It's very difficult to obtain asylum when you're detained. It's very difficult to obtain an attorney.
There are also concerns about the fear this is creating for people they say are following the law. Some may be so fearful they won't show up to required hearings.
The most scariest part of this whole situation is that folks are scared to go and fight their case, which they have a right to do.
And immigration lawyers tell us that the Constitution and the law allows asylum seekers to submit an application that will allow them to stay in the United States. But the only way to do that is to show up in court. Live in Sacramento, Carolina Estrada, KCRA 3 News.
So, Carolina, what do they say people with upcoming appointments in court should do?
Well, they say it's very important to show up to any required hearing to avoid deportation. If you are concerned, they say the best way to go about it is to go with an immigration lawyer or a family member. Back to you, Andrea.
All right, Catalina, thank you so much for looking into it.